Dr. Seuss's ABC. Big A, little a, what begins with A? Annie's alligator. A. Big B, little b, what begins with B? Barber baby Bubbles and a bumblebee. Big C, little c, what begins with C? Camel on the ceiling. C. Big D, little d, David Donald Do dreamed a dozen donuts and a duck dog too. A, B, C, D, E. Ear, egg, elephant. E. Big F, little f, F. 4 fluffy feathers on a fiffer-feffer-faff. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Goat, girl, goo-goo goggles. G. Big H, little h, hungry horse hay. Hen in a hat, hooray! Big I, little I. Ichabod it itchy, so am I. Big J, little j, what begins with J? Jerry Jordan's jelly jar and jam begin that way. Big K, little k, kitten kangaroo, kick a kettle, kite, and a king's ka-choo! Big L, little lollipop. Left leg, lazy lion, licks a lollipop. Hello! Big M, little am. Many mumbling mice are making midnight music in the moonlight. Mighty nice. Big N, little n, what begins with those? Nice new neckties and a nice shirt and a nose. O is very useful. You use it when you say, Oscar's only ostrich, oiled an orange owl today. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Painting pink pajamas. Policeman in a pail. Peter Pepper's puppy. And now Papa's in the pail. Big Q, little q. What begins with Q? The quick Queen of Quincy and her quacking quackaroo. Quack, 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 quack. Big R, little r. Rosie Robin Ross. Rose is going riding on her red rhinoceros. Big S, little s. Silly Sammy Slick. Sipped 6 sodas and got sick. T, begins with T? 10 tired turtles on a turtle tree. Big U, little U. What begins with U? Uncle Op's umbrella and his underwear too. Big V, little V. Vera Violet Fiend is very, very, very awful on her violin. W, W, W. Willie Waterloo washes Warren Wiggins, who is washing Waldo Woo. X is very useful if your name is Nixie Knox. It also comes in handy spelling X and extra fox. Big Y, little Y. A yawning yellow yak. Young Yolanda Yorkison is yelling on his back. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Big Z, little Z. What begins with Z?
I do. I am a scissor, sasser, sauce, as you can plainly see. Goodbye. Was the challenge difficult? Check and see if you got them right.